Today I'm going to give you some quick tips for the PTE Describe Image question. Then I'll give you a sample image so you can practice. Here are 3 things to remember. First, look at the title. What's the image about? Second, describe some important information or key features that you notice. Focus on what's in the foreground and the background, and let this give structure and coherence to your description. And third, draw a brief conclusion. Focus on your fluency and your pronunciation. Don't focus too much on small details because you might run out of time. Now I'm going to show you an image, and I'll start a timer for 25 seconds so you can prepare. Then I'll start a second timer for 40 seconds so you can describe your image. Ready? Let's start. Now I'll play a sample description. Compare it to yours and see how you did.
This is a picture of a family picnic. In the foreground you can see a family of 5 sitting on a checked blanket on the grass and having something to eat. It's a sunny day and it must be warm because they're wearing light clothes. It all looks very pleasant, but I have to say that nobody looks very happy. I think they must be in a park near Sydney Harbour because you can see the distinctive bridge in the background and the city skyline behind.
Repeat this exercise as many times as you need to so you can become more comfortable with Describe Image. Thanks for practicing with me. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us bring you more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website at edubenchmark.com for more help with your total PTE preparation. You'll find that link in the description below as well. See you soon.